Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session, we will try to discuss regarding and understand regarding what is this bistable multi-vibrator and how it is. I mean, how the multi bistable multi-vibrator really works, and using with the help of some diagram, and then we will try to understand where it is going to be used particularly. Okay, so let us quickly start with the session. My request is to please watch the entire session until end, and do not, so that we do not miss out any of the points to understand the which help to understand the bistable multivibrator. So let us quickly start with the session. As the name itself indicate, bistable multivibrator. Bistable is nothing but two stable states. Means a multivibrator which has two stable states is called as bistable multivibrator. A multivibrator which has two stable state. Bi means two stable state. Hence it is called as bistable multivibrator. In the previous session, monostable multivibrator was used, where mono means single, multivibrator which has only one stable state. So in this case, it is bistable, hence multivibrator which has two stable state is called as bistable multivibrator. So how it is two state is there, that we will try to understand. So this circuit is also called as flip-flop. Okay, so the bistable multivibrator, we can say it as a flip-flop simply. Okay, so how it acts as a flip-flop, we'll try to understand in detail. Okay, so the circuit, as I can say, it has two stable state. Then when two states it has stable, then we can say that circuit is stable in either state. Means when it is off also it is stable, on also it is stable. Either of the state, means on state also it is stable, off state also it is stable, and it can take two stable states. So it can be flipped from one state to another by external trigger pulse. So when it can flip from one state to the other state, only when we apply trigger pulse. Okay, this trigger pulse, whatever external trigger pulse we are trying to apply, so then only the state will be flipped, and it will be stable. That is also there. Okay, it will be stable definitely. So so hence I can say that it can be flipped from one state to another state by external trigger pulse. Hence we can say that it can act as a flip-flop, because we are deciding like when the state has to be flipped from one state to the next state. Hence it acts as a flip-flop. Flip-flop is nothing but a circuit which stores a bit of information. So it has, we are deciding with the help of this external trigger pulse. Okay, and more detail we will try to cover it in this session itself. So it can store one bit of information. Yeah, flip flop, that is why it is called as flip flop. Okay, this is one more reason why bistable multi vibrator is also called as flip flop. So it can store one bit of information and is widely used in digital logic and computer memory. So digital logic, it has a lot of applications, because flip-flop, there are many applications. So in counter design, in flip-flop means there are many types of flip-flops again, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, T flip-flop. Okay, many types of flip-flops are there, and counters are there. Many types of counters are there. So in all these, we need flip-flops. So flip-flop is, hence it is used in, since bistable multivibrator reacts is also called as flip-flop, it can be definitely used in digital logic, means logic design circuitry, and computer memory also. Why in computer memory question arises? Computer memory, because it stores one bit of information, and even as you already know, in computer the memory is stored in the form of ones and zeros, basically binary information. So because of this 0 and 1, who can store 0 and 1? Flip-flop is the best example. So because of this, it is used in computer memory. So hence with these 2 points, we can say that finally it acts as a flip-flop. It is a flip-flop basically. So now we will try to understand with the help of this particular diagram, the operation of a bistable multivibrator. So as you can see, in this block is called as bistable multivibrator, and there are two trigger pulses, trigger pulse with the time T1, trigger pulse with the time T2. So we are expecting again some output, and as I told you, bistable multivibrator has two stable states. It can circuit is stable in either state. It is either in on state or off state. Okay, so how it is decided? So circuit is stable in either state. Okay, it can be flipped from, as I told you, flipped from one to another state by external trigger pulse. It's not like it is only stable in on state. It's not like that. It is stable in on state or off state as well. So how to decide that? How to flip that? With the help of this trigger pulses. So how to understand the operation of this is, first I'll apply the trigger pulse with a time t1. So forget about this t2, that we will try to anyways understand later. So first of all, only consider this trigger pulse I am applying with the time instant t1 to this bistable multivibrator. So because of this, some signal is already there. It is already in off state. Output is already in off state. So because of this T1, from T1 entire up to T1, it will be in on state only. That means it is in one stable state now. Correct? So after this, what has to be done? If I leave like this only, then it will be a stable multivibrator. But I want the circuit to behave in stable way in both on state and off state. Okay, so at it now it is in on state, it is stable. Okay, so now it is changing. Why? Because I want to keep it in off state. Because of this, I am applying T2. Okay, T2. So this T2 I am trying to apply this until this T2 instant. How much time we will fix it? Until that time it will be in off state, and the state will not change unless and until one more trigger is applied. Hence, we can say that the bistable multivibrator has two stable states. That means it has one on state stable, off state stable. On state at the time of T1, off state at the time of T2. So hence there are two stable state. If we forget this T2 trigger pulse, then we can say that this bistable multivibrator will behave similar to a stable monostable multivibrator. Okay, so if there is not a stable, sorry, so it is T1 only. If it is applied, then the output behaves similar to monostable multivibrator, which has only one stable state. Since we are applying one more trigger pulse with different time instant, it has different state. Both are stable. On state is also stable for time t1, and it is entering into off state is again stable, which is off state is also stable again. So hence it has two stable state, one on state at the until time t1 and off until time t2. So how long it has to be in on state or off state, that will be decided by the user. Okay, so how long means decide the time, design the timing circuit, then definitely we can be in a position to determine how long it should be in on state or off state. So again, the on state off state means it is off a circuit. Okay, so please, I hope now it is very clear now. So since it is having, see, now I will tell you like how it behaves as a flip flop. See, during time t1 time period, t1 time period, it holds 1, means logic 1 means high. That means it is storing one bit of information. Okay, one it is storing, that means it is storing 1. Okay, so again in during t2 it is storing 0. So that means I can say that it is acts as a flip flop because it is storing some value. Correct, it has some stable state. That's why we can say that bistable multivibrator is called a flip flop, but monostable multivibrator is not a this thing. Okay, so because it stores two values, that means on state or off state, one bit of information, it will be stored at particular time instant. That's why it is called as flip flop. I hope it is very clear now. So for us, I will just quickly summarize. We will apply time that is trigger pulse of time t1. Until then I require it to be in on state and it is in stable state. If I still want to change the state, I want to flip the state, then I have to apply one more trigger pulse. With the help of that, I can change the state and I can maintain in that particular state until this time t2. So I hope it is very clear. Okay, so now where it is used, as I already told you, many times, like it is used in flip flop. So it is the main application of this bistable multivibrator is in case of flip flop. I hope now it is very clear bistable multivibrator. So please, if you want to know not only this bistable, if you want to know any of the topic related to electronics or physics, so please comment in the please feel free to comment in the YouTube comment section, and I will try to cover the session on that. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications, and please support. Okay, so like, share. Okay, so have a nice day, take care, bye.